June 15, 1942. And then we have that plus 20 again. We have that plus 30. We keep coming down over here, plus 40. And after the plus 50, we see another scene. These are the 50-foot blocks that create this tunnel in here. And as we walk down, and again, we'll have some notes. And where's the other one? Here it is, from November of 1934. All right, so there's a lot of notes on the walls of the different things that they would find and make a note of to keep track of the health of the dam itself. All right, here plus 50, we have another scene. And if you could be so kind of step right over there. Stay on your left, folks, and just look at me. Stay right on your left, right over here. Take a look at me. Take a look at me. Stay right there. Just turn around. Turn around.